Welcome. In this video we're going to actually create a survey form that you can send to customers, which allows them to fill it out but not edit the actual survey. First step is to create a survey in Word. Each of the questions we chose has a different type of response requirement. Next we need to insert the response areas on the survey. To do that we need to add something extra to our ribbon. So we go over to the Quick Access toolbar, which is over here. Click on it, go down to More Commands, click there, and then as menu comes up, we will be able to click on Customize Ribbon on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you'll see all these ticky boxes clicked off except for the developer. Click on that and then go over and press OK. You do that and the developer comes onto the ribbon up here. Great. Now you click on the ribbon, you'll see a whole bunch of icons. The ones we're interested are right in the middle here. You hover over, you can see what descriptions they are. We're going to be focusing on 4 of these icons in particular. Our first question asks us to put an input of a date in, and so what we're going to be doing is we click where we want to place the form entry thing, go over to the calendar thing, simply click on the calendar icon and it will put a box in right in the actual spot. Click on the arrow down, you can see what the respondent will use to input the date. Next thing we want to do is add these checkboxes to this second question here. A checkbox icon is right there. Once again, we position the cursor where the checkbox is going to go. See, it does work. And then for each checkbox, we click on the icon and it goes into the actual spot there. And if you can see that, you click on it, click it off, the X goes on and off there. Next question is a single response multiple choice question, and we can use this drop down list control. Click it, and it says for choose the items. Here we have to go to the properties menu right beside it, and we can use actually the property menu for each of these things, but each of these control things, they have some additional properties that you can explore. For this, we're going to add each of the responses in the lower boxes there response options that we want to give our respondents. So I've put very satisfied here. I click OK. I want to add another one. I think I'll say somewhat satisfied, and I'll type that in there, press OK, and spell things right. It's helpful. And yes, so as I said, each of these commands do allow you to add some customized features to it. You're welcome to explore the various things that you can do. I'm just showing you a very basic way of doing this. Click OK. One of the cool features here is that if you actually want to change the order, you can move the order around by the move up and move down command there. If you're happy with it, click OK, and then when the respondent actually sees it, arrow down there, and you can see the response options that they have to choose from. They choose one, and it is recorded there. Finally, we have our text question. There's two ways to do that. One, we're using the unformatted command there, that was simply place a cursor, put the box in there, and your respondent can actually just type in this box right here, just like this. Okay, so as you see, I've shown you 4 different types of questions that you can put into this. Now, the final step before actually sending this off to your clients is that you need to set it up so that they can only enter information into the response boxes and not change your questions whatsoever. So to do this, we go over to the restrict editing thing in the developer icon in the developer menu. This menu comes up. There's 3 options here. We ignore the first one. We click on the second one, edit restrictions, and we say fill in form. We click on fill in form, and then third thing we say yes, restricted comes up with a place where you can put in a password. Password is used to actually allow you to edit it, but no one else to edit the file. And that is really it. Once you've done that, you can save it. And once you've saved it, you can send that save file to your customers. They'll get the file, and they can fill it out and send it back to you. And so when they actually see it, they'll see something like this, and they can fill it out, and you can set this up in any ways. You can be very fancy with your formatting. It's a great way to get feedback from your clients. Here I'm putting the date in. I'm going to check off some boxes as well. Here, maybe I use package A, and I guess I was very satisfied with it, and you can put a comment in. Handy way of getting feedback, and you can make this look very professional. So that's it. Hope you find this useful. Definitely try it out, and good luck with it. Bye for now.